And so it is that we bask in this delicious moment. Whenever we can gather in a sangha, in a spiritual community, wherever two or more are gathered, we get to plug in and connect with the vibration of the divine presence. I invite us all to invest in a complete breath, allowing ourselves, our whole self, mind, body, spirit, to be fully present to one another, present to our experience of spirit this morning. When our mind goes to transformation, what awakens in me is this thought. My first responsibility to transformation is to affirm, Spirit, have your way in me. Just completely yielding our agenda this morning, allowing ourselves to transform our, I'll call it a train of thought. That's what the mind does. It just runs cars all day long. And we allow that to be so. Bringing our attention to our heart space. Bringing our attention to the energy that is breathing us in this holy moment. Yielding to the voice that calls us. Be still, and know that I am God. It is with every breath reminds us, I am spirit in motion. I am spirit expressing. I am life. I am law. I am love. I am substance. Lifting hearts of gratitude this morning. We give great thanks for our awareness of the presence. And so it is. Amen.